Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lenny. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for always coming back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background of your video in CapCut. So let's dive right in. The first step is to open your CapCut application and then navigate to the import button here. And then the next step would be for you to either click on import to import the video you want to remove the background for, or you can simply drag the video into the import frame here. This is basically a free video I got from pixels.com, and if you're not familiar with pixels.com, then it's a free site where you get free videos, free pictures to use for your YouTube videos or for your flyers, your brochures, etc. Usually when you use these videos, you'd want to basically mention this in your videos or give the credits to the photographer or the videographer so that people know that this is where you got it from. Okay, so now that I have the video dragged into my import frame, the next step for me is to drag the material into the timeline frame here. Now that I have it in the timeline frame, the next step for me is to remove the background. So let's navigate to the right corner of the CapCut application. You click on video and then you navigate to remove background. So you can either do a custom removal or you can click on Chrome key, but I'm going to do the auto removal and I'm going to go with a free version basically. If you want to use other versions, then you definitely have to pay, but the free version is okay for me. As you can see, the background has been removed. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd want to remove the background of a photo instead of a video, then I already have a tutorial which I'll leave on the screen on how to remove the background of a photo. I have 2 tutorials on this actually, so I'll leave that on the screen so that you can go watch it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.